Hi teachers, and welcome back. It's James. It's been a while since I made a teaching video with me in it. Today I'm going to talk about 3 action words that you can teach your elementary school students for the month of February or March or whenever. The 3 verbs / action words are listen, remember, practice. Remember, kids are very visual, so over-exaggerating the action is fine. Watch how I would teach these words. Okay, everyone, listen. There are 3 action words that I want you to remember and do. Now, for lower level students, they may not know what you're saying, but if you have more experienced students in your class, then they will know what you're saying. But for this video, let's just assume that these students are new or they're still beginners and are beginning to understand your lessons. Okay, so there are 3 action words. So actions in Japanese is maneko or mane. Okay, that means to play out some action. So everyone look at James. Look at James. Listen. Listen. Some new kids will do this. This means they don't understand what you're saying. Listen means kiku. Listen 意味は kiku. Okay? So I want you to do this action. この真似をやってほしい. Okay, everybody? Let's do it together. Listen. Some students may want to do this action. Some students will hesitate. Don't worry about it. Okay, good. Just praise them. All right? Remember. 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 Some students may know this word because I often use it in my lessons. What is remember? Oboeru. Very good. Remember is oboeru. Remember is oboeru. Yes. Remember. So everybody do this action. この真似やって. Remember. Good. What's this? Nobody? Practice. 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 Okay? I know this looks ridiculous, but according to this action, practice is renshu. Everybody do this. Practice. Okay? Practice in what? Renshu. Practice. Okay. Some students may do it, some students may not in the beginning. Don't worry about it. Okay? Now this time, James is going to say an action word. Okay? I want you to do the action. Okay, James は真似の言葉言ってからやってほしい. I had to use some Japanese because that's what I do in my school. Show me, listen. Listen 真似. Listen の真似やって. Very good. This. Everybody do this. Listen. That's kiku. Good. Remember. Oh, everybody remembers. Good job. Remember. Okay, practice. Yes, practice. You got it. Practice. Okay, and this time I'm going to shuffle these cards and then I'm going to call them out. Okay? 言ってから真似して. So I will call the action word and you do it. All right? Remember. Good. Practice. Good. Practice. Good. Remember. Good. Listen. Oh, no. Listen. Right. Listen. Listen. Good. Listen. Listen. Practice. 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 Remember. Remember. Okay? Just mix it up like that. And do this for the entire month. Now, if I were you, I would copy each of these words for homework. So, let's say that you're starting with listen for the beginning of the month. Copy this, have them color the picture, or copy the word, but they must remember this word for the next lesson, assuming that you teach them once a week. So this is their homework. You would give out the homework at the end of the lesson. You can use your own action words, but this is just an example. Anyway, guys, I hope you found this interesting. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe to my channel. Bye, teachers.